Hi, we'll be solving an inequality problem today. So which of the following must be greater than x, where x lies between -1 and 0? Now it is given to us that x is negative and x lies between -1 and 0, and three option choices are given to us. Now let's solve this problem using algebra. So let's take the first option. So the first option is x square plus x. Now we know that x is a negative number, and if we square a negative number, we are going to get a positive number. So if you're going to add a positive number to x, definitely the value will reduce and this entire expression will actually be greater than x. Let's take an example. So let's say x is equal to minus 0.1. That means x square will be equal to 0.01. And if we add both of them, we'll get the value of x square plus x as 0.01 plus minus 0.1, which is equal to minus 0.09. Definitely minus 0.09 is greater than minus 0.1. So statement 1 is true. Let's take statement 2, which says x square minus x cube. Now if we take x square common in this, so this becomes x square times 1 minus x. Now we know that x is negative. That means x square will be positive and 1 minus x will also be positive. And if you multiply two positive numbers, we'll actually get a positive number. That means this entire expression is positive and x is negative. So definitely this expression will be greater than x. So second one is also true. Third one says 1 plus 2x. Now it is given to us that x is greater than minus 1. We can add x on both these sides. So we'll have x plus x is greater than x minus 1. We can take minus 1 to this side. So we'll have 2x plus 1 is greater than x, or 1 plus 2x is greater than x. That means 1 plus 2x will be greater than x. So statement 3 is also true. So all three of them will be true. So answer will be option number E. Now this problem involved concepts of inequality and positive and negative numbers. If you want to watch a detailed theory video for the same, do check out the links provided in the description of this video. I hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.